Hi everyone, this is Diana from Links. Today I'm going to share with you how to install our fat tire electric Harley scooter Citycoco. And if you are interested in this, let's go. Here's all the accessories include: charger, tool kit, reflective stripes, phone holder, menu, mirrors, and front tire. First step, install the front tire. Use wrench to loosen the screws on the front fork. Take out the stator from the front brake caliper. If you find it's difficult to install the front tire with the disc brake, you need to use the hexagon wrench to adjust the screws here. Move out the center roller from the front fork. Then you get two of these. One is longer and another one is shorter. Find the longer one and install on the side of the brake rotor. The shorter one is on the other side. Then you could install the front tire. Make sure the brake rotor is into the front brake caliper. Fix the center roller and then tighten the screws. Second step, install the front fender. Find the corresponding hole for the fender and then screw it in. Third step, install the handlebar. Same as before, loosen the screws here and take out. Then put on the front handlebar. Then install the fixing part. Don't get too tight at the first time because you need to adjust the handlebar again, then tighten it. Fourth step, stick the stripes. Only need to tear off the protective paper, then stick to the position. Fifth step, install the mirror. Simple and easy, just need to screw it in. Sixth step, fix the phone holder. Fix on your front handlebar and then screw it in. Don't forget to connect this port. This is the USB charger. Seventh step, check the battery and go. Battery is beside the foot patch. Connect to the battery and then you can check and go.